My name's Alex Raybone, I'm the Director of Auto Glens DPF Services. I chose the MetClean machine because in my eyes it was the best thing available on the market. I'd done a bit of research into what was available, what was being offered by other suppliers. The stats with the MetClean just blows everyone else out of the water, to be honest. I went for the XL just for the fact that it can do everything. I sort of wanted to open up other income streams for the business, and I thought if I'm doing that, it's worth investing a little bit more money into a machine that caters for everything rather than limiting myself to a smaller machine. We've done a fair bit of HGV work and agricultural work. We can fit anything in this machine. We didn't require much training to use the machine. It's a very straightforward piece of machinery to use, although it looks very complex. It's very easy, very straightforward. Probably had around 3 to 4 hours training on delivery day of the machine, and since then we've had no issues. With regards to performance and reliability, the machine far exceeded what we expected, to be honest. Obviously I'd viewed the machine before I purchased one, but just how simple and easy it is to use, how efficiently it works, how quick it will do a clean, means that we can pick up a filter with our local customers. We can pick one up, clean it, dry it and return it to most of our customers within 4 hours, which is something that's almost unheard of in the industry. Normally they're sent away for 3-4 days. So we've almost brought a new service to market. From a customer support point of view, the Mets team are really good. We haven't really had any major issues. Any little niggly issues that we have had have been dealt with straight away. Si's great from a sales point of view, was really supportive through the whole process. Delivery day, we had 2 of the guys from MetClean come and show us how everything works, talk us through everything. Yeah, they've been really supportive, and overall I'm really happy with the service they provided to us. So my advice would be, if you're looking at getting a DPF cleaning machine, I would 100% recommend the MetClean DPF machines to other garages. Yeah, like I say, you can't really go wrong with them. Nothing's too big a problem for the team. Always helpful, always on hand if you need to pick their brains with something. The machine's reliable, does exactly what you need it to do, and overall you can offer a brilliant service to your customer.